So everyone, now I can call my hot rod officially a trailer queen. I bought a trailer that fits exactly the masses of the length and width of my rat rod go-kart. As you can see right here, it's a specially made for quads on such a small vehicles. You can maybe load 2 quads here or 1 big one. And this one is 3.30 m I think length. Hot rod is 2.80 m, 90, something like that. I mean, from the contact point from tire to trailer or to road to the front, same place, you know. And yeah, it have these small hand winch, or how to call this thing here. So I banded it, I connected it to the chassis of the hot rod, and yeah, you can pull it. It's pretty easy, not heavy, and even the width is about 1.78 m or something, and the hot rod is 1.50 m, so it works 100%. Yeah. Still have to do a lot of stuff, modifying some reflectors on the rear and front and the sides, and later we'll be done. So wish me luck and have a nice weekend, everyone. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Forgot something. I built this tank. You know, it's a pretty nice system. I don't know if the camera focuses out there. Open, and you can refuel, and then this way I built myself. Even, as you know, I did everything myself. Oh yeah. So have a nice day. Thank you.